Welcome to Atlas Laravel Package System feature. Under the Agent Package section, you can monitor how many active subscriptions you currently have, such as Silver, Gold, or Diamond packages. You'll also see the active period of each subscription, like monthly, semi-annual, or annual durations. Additionally, the section will show details like features, contact options, best choice selection, and pricing. Creating a new package. To create a new subscription package, click on Add New Package. After clicking, a form will appear where you'll need to enter the following: package name, package subtitle, package duration, choose whether it's monthly, semi-annually, or annually, listing limit, total number of listings allowed under this package, category listings, categories that the agent can list under, feature listings, enable or disable featured listing capability, contact form access, optional. Listing videos, add if required, best choice tag, mark the package as best. Click the Create button to publish your new package. As an admin, you can view your subscription history to see which users have subscribed to your packages. This gives you a complete overview of your active subscribers. Now, let's move to the Customer panel. When a customer logs in, they will see a dashboard like this. If a customer wants to become an agent, they simply need to click on the Become an Agent button. They'll be shown 3 available subscription packages to choose from. After selecting one, they can proceed to choose a payment gateway and click Pay. Upon successful payment, the user will be upgraded from customer to agent. After becoming an agent, the dashboard will now display 2 sections: Customer panel and Agent panel. In the My Subscription section, the agent can view details like active subscription name, pricing, payment method used, and at the bottom, the billing history, which shows the date the subscription was purchased, the expiration date. Take control of your listings, boost your visibility, and manage your business like a pro.